Electric Playground, where I'm kicking off a brand new week-long series about the technology of tomorrow. I'm sure we've all noticed the influx in 3D entertainment and immersive experiences. And Sean is here now with an exclusive look into the future with a PhD student from Ryerson University.
I'm super excited to be in this very secret location on the Ryerson University campus to learn a bit more about some awesome 3D tech that we haven't seen yet. Adrian, what is it that you do here?
Well, one thing is I'm a student. I'm a third-year PhD student here at Ryerson, but I also have a high-tech company, and I help out build labs. So my high-tech company makes technology like this available to businesses, military, biomedical companies, pretty much anybody who really needs this kind of technology years before it comes out.
I have tried a lot of 3D televisions with the shutter glasses, and the stuff that I've seen here today completely blows that away. You've got 3D not using those shutter glasses. You've got a cave. What are some of the examples that you've shown us?
Okay, so one thing we showed you was these planar displays. It's a polarized LCD display. So it's the technology you're going to get maybe in about 3 years. It's polarized lenses, so it's closer to something like IMAX. They're circularly polarized, so as you rotate the glasses, you don't lose any of the signal, and they don't need batteries, and it's a lot cheaper because with active shutter glasses, you're paying maybe $150 for this kind of setup, but the passive glasses are about 50 cents. You know, so it's kind of a no-brainer to switch to that technology. But right now it's kind of a cyclical consumption or planned obsolescence where the TV manufacturers, they simply just started selling glasses. Their TVs were already capable of doing that, and frankly 12 years ago they were able to do this kind of stuff. One thing we also have is the volumetric display. This doesn't require glasses, and you're able to walk around it in 3D, get this really good 3D effect. The resolution isn't as high, but there's no glasses necessary, and you get that nice biomedical kind of effect. We also do gesture recognition as well, so we're able to interact with these virtual objects with our hands, and we also do haptics. So with haptics, you're able to feel the virtual objects, and that gives you more of a connection. Like you're able to really connect with that virtual environment through vision, through moving your hands, and through touching objects.
How does something like the 3D cave work?
The way it works is we have a series of computers driving each one of these walls, and then we have an application node that we run programs through, and it distributes this through the screens. Mainly it's using active shutter, which is similar to the consumer level shutter glasses, except we're also tracking you with a very precise optic tracking system. So it's kind of like PS3's Move, except way more camera angles, way more precise, way more responsive. For instance, I'll show you an example of a human leg, where we're able to analyze it, see the marrow, see all these different details about the leg. You wouldn't be able to see that in a 2D image. One thing I'm trying to do is, and this is where I visualize it going, is I'm trying to set it up in my apartment where I have a series of projectors and create like a cave for the home. And I visualize that one day there'll be a virtual marketplace for this stuff. So rather than going out to the store and buying a toy for your child, you'll just download, let's say, a remote control car, you'll interact, play with it. When you're done with it, you just archive it, save it, whatever, and move on. There's a great future to this, and a virtual market space of buying virtual products that will eventually emerge out of this. And for now, it's mostly training, experiencing immersion, and testing systems. This is the most advanced virtual reality lab in Canada. We haven't officially unveiled it, but I guess we kind of are right now, aren't we? We're still adding components, so a lot of the other components are still secret, so shh. But for now, yeah, this is as good as 3D gets, and you can't get more immersive than this right now.
We will have more on future tech in the next episode of EP Daily.